but this is probably one of my best managed trades, I think. Best composure.
Yeah, and it's
Basically
pretty
everybody
good.
made money early on in the longs, and this was a little bit later, but we had a nice clean hold of previous day's point of control. And as you know, James, I use volume profile along with VWAP and bookmap, kind of my three things that I'm always looking at. We get a clean hold. I enter into this trade. It's a beautiful setup for a long. The couple things that started from the get-go is we get this push, we got up to 67.40. I end up taking 80% or 60% of the trade off. Dream story TP would have been 67.50, which would have just put us at obviously a new high. That's a nice round number. So that was my original like high-end target, but 40 was going to be a good spot to take profits. So as I took profits and this came back down, held the opening range high, I had built up the confidence in what I was seeing on the charts, and I ended up adding back in those 3 contracts that I sold. And I ended up holding into this trade, and then on a 5-minute chart, I just brought my stop up, and I brought my stop up. And every time I brought my stop up, I had to remind myself, if this comes back, I've made more money than I was planning on making on the trade in the first place. I end up getting stopped out up here, leaving 10 points on the table. I'm not upset at all. I'm up $880 on 5 micros. I just waited. I saw another entry for a long. I got in and I took another 15 points out of the next leg of the move.